We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
Today we will discuss about how to produce the light effect shown in this picture using Revit lighting. When rendering a 3D view of a building model, for getting a natural lighting effect, you can define lighting fixtures and their light source in the building model. For demonstrating this lighting effect, we are opening a project. For placing light fixtures, open plinth level under ceiling plan. Go to Architecture tab. Click on Place a Component icon under Build panel. Next, we have to go to Load Family for loading light fixtures. Go to Property box and select the Load Light fixture from the drop-down list. And place the location where you want. Select the light fixture and go to Edit Family. Now we are inside the family file of light fixture. Select the light source and click on Light Source Definition. Now a dialog box is opened. Here we are choosing photometric web for getting our required light effect. Photometric web light describes the intensity of light source at a point on a spherical grid. Now load this edited family to our project using Load into Project tool. And click on overwriting the existing version. Now you can see the old light fixture is replaced with the edited one. Select the light fixture and go to Edit Type in the Property box. Under Photometrics, you can load the photometric web file. Here I am choosing 25th IS light. Why? Because this type IS light can only produce our required light effects. Then I will give the tilt angle 90. Now we are going for a render to see our final result. In order to render in fast, we have set the render settings in minimum. Now you can see the final result as we required. Thanks for watching this video.